Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Sannappa Rajan. Last video I have shown some configuration for forward reverse operation. Okay, so that video I didn't provide any interlock between forward and reverse. So one of our subscriber asked me to provide configuration for forward reverse interlock also. Okay, so stop button was also was not considered. So in this configuration I will show you forward reverse push button, limit switch, as well as interlock, and also stop button. Okay, so now we will see. So last video I explained you what is latch relay or set reset relay. So what is the use of it. So if you have any doubt you can watch that video. Okay, so now we will start. Select module, select function block diagram. Okay, as I told you, we have 5 inputs: forward limit switch, reverse limit switch, and stop button also. So now we will configure 5 inputs. So this is forward push button, this is forward limit switch, reverse push button, reverse limit switch, this is stop push button. Okay, so we have two outputs, forward and reverse. Reverse. Okay, so now we have provided inputs and outputs. Now we will go for configuration of logics. Okay, we take latch relay or set reset relay. Okay, so from limit switch we will connect to reset contact. Okay, 2 blocks for each operation. Reverse push button, reverse limit switch to reset relay. Okay, and also now we have stop button. Okay, so we have to connect stop button also. So we will provide OR gate. Okay, limit switch and push button. If anyone activated, so this will deactivate the block or operation. Also one more OR gate. Reset. Okay, so now you understand why I used OR gate. Okay, so this limit switch input and stop push button input, it will operate parallelly, either this or this. Whenever whichever this operates, na, this will reset the relay and it will stop the operation. Okay, now we want to connect the interlock. Okay, when you start example, if forward push button is operated when it is running, so once you press the reverse push button, so it should not operate reverse uh, in field or in panel. This is wiring must be interlocked. Okay, so but still we will provide interlock in our program itself. Okay, we don't want to make any complicated wiring at field. Okay, so we will make interlock. We'll take AND gate. AND gate and NOT gate. Okay, so we will provide interlock between two operation. Now this output we will connect to AND gate and NOT gate. So I hope I made the logic okay. Now we will check whether our logic is working as per our requirement. Okay, so now I press forward push button, so this is started. Forward is running. Okay, while running forward I press reverse push button, so nothing is happened because it is interlocked. Okay, now it is reached reverse forward limit switch, so it's operated. Now you press reverse push button, now reverse is running, forward limit switch is reset, and once it is reach reverse limit, the limit switch is activated. So this is how the logic is working with interlock system as well as push button. We will just now push buttons also. Okay, oh, stop. Okay, so this is how we can provide interlock for forward and reverse in this logic. Okay, so I will explain you once. Okay, so forward push button and reverse push button with limit switches and stop input is there. Okay, so when you use this latch relay, if you give set, it will start it will switch on the output until you give reset. Okay, so the both blocks will work same. Okay, when this block is operated or it output on, you can we have provided interlock from outgoing, we have provided interlock to the next block. Okay, the same to this block, vice versa. You can see output is connected. Okay, through AND gate and NOT gate, the same output is connected from AND gate it AND gate. Okay, I hope you understand this configuration. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please let me know through comment. Okay, so I will meet you in next video with different configuration. Okay, if you are new for my channel, please do subscribe. Okay, for more videos. Okay, oh, thanks for watching.